Mokonyi b'umuraibu nsi ya Kenya uyoro muraibu ikiama gia DCP Rigathi Gachagua nigo bona mochire serikali ya Kenya kwanza ase atebire nigo yararira ase emirimo yaye egento keirire Abakenya konyora ogwakwa gugwatikana n'umurakera uyogendete kwenekiwa imensi ya Kenya okwana mbasorero kurwa ase omuchie o Nairobi. Gachagua nigo bona aragire ebiara igati abarai bensemo ya North Eastern Kenya asa atebire nigo batari goikirania amagendero ase abananchi abo babachorete omurikitoli netnyambane na roboti rwa senchire wikirana.
Aiwe kiama gia DCP Rigathi Gachagua omochirie eserekari ya Kenya kwanza boigo abarai ba North Eastern ase okuombia
Parents should ever have to watch their child sleep hungry. These voices from the north are not mere statistics. They are the living conscience of our nation, calling us to act with urgency and humanity. One life lost is one too many.
Ukwana nabariki ba mangana maya kurwa asa magacho amanene yekiamekyo imeyo mucho Nairobi. Gachagua ni gatebire eserekari ni gebwenerete kuraria umurakera uyogendrete kwenekiwa CHINSEMO ya North Eastern buna egeku.
In light of these realities, William Ruto must declare the drought in northern Kenya a national disaster. Such a declaration will unlock the scale of national and international response required to save lives, protect livelihoods, and restore dignity of the Kenyan people. Before a drought reaches the emergency phase, a responsible leadership does preparedness. With 3 failed rain seasons, what was expected? Building of water ponds, dams, and allocation of emergency funds in time to those in need.
Gachagua nigo airari bagerio na komochia eserekari ase ogotumia chibesa bobe ichi chibwenerete gokonya Abakenya anene asa murekeire obisi omokonyi b'umurai bwense Professor Kithure Kindiki.
In an expose recently, the Office of the Deputy President spent 338 million on private jets, chartered airplanes and choppers. Aden Duale's sharp business lost 11 billion Kenya shillings. This government does not take human life seriously. For a young man in Kenya, if they are not killing you in the streets, they are tear gassing you in church or killing you with thirst and hunger in the north. At the same time, the leaders of northern Kenya, who cannot account for Kenya shillings 1 trillion since devolution in 2013, are quiet and enjoying luxury in Nairobi as their people in the north continue to suffer from hunger and anguish.
Arenayo nigo amochire taro yo murai bwense iyo arobireti gochikokora gochakira ritukoria ankyo ase chikaunti cha North Eastern kubwatoka chibese chomoroberio nyota asatebire abamenyi bense meyo nigo babwate amakong ababwateranetie ayo abwanerete kurigereriwa aso bwangomono.
President William Ruto towards the food insecure and water stressed north from tomorrow to disperse the Nyota cash in Wajir, Mandera, and Garissa this week. He should know that life is more important and people are at the verge of hunger and death. In any case, the whole essence of touring the north is little on Nyota program, but to sanitize the corrupt leaders who have failed the people of northern Kenya. Mr. William Ruto, as you go to dance on the podiums in the north this week starting from tomorrow, do not forget to tell the people of the north why only less than 35% of the population have access to basic clean and safe drinking water compared to the national average of about 68%. The north, too, are Kenyans. Mr. William Ruto, in the north, over 850,000 school-going children did not attend school last year, and the same for this year. Mr. William Ruto, the schools in the north have no classrooms, no laboratories, no teachers. Children standing at the trees. Does this prick your humanity, if at all any is left as you head to the north?
Goripoteria Ensoko TV kurwa ase omucho Nairobi, irietariane Linet.